What's up, YouTube? Hey, look, we're going to do this video about getting out the rat race. And I appreciate y'all new ones that's been subscribing to the channel. Appreciate y'all. Leave a comment. Hey, like this video. But look, getting out the rat race, you're going to have to learn a skill. I understand they taught us you need to go get a job. You need to go to college. That's all. You're going to keep hearing it forever. Cool. Nothing wrong with it. They're telling you how you're going to make it in life. But getting out the rat race is going to require you going to the next level from that. Picking up skills, learn where to invest your money, how to buy assets. What is an asset? What is compound interest? A lot of people don't know those things. So we'll work a 9 to 5 till we're 65, 70, 60. For your whole life, you've been working, but you've never had money work for you. That's when I started saying, okay, especially in today's time, you could work your 9 to 5 job and start a Shopify store, get an e-commerce store. And every weekend, that's what really got me into it and taught me more. Don't focus on it Monday through Friday, Monday through Sunday for some of these things. Like crypto, I was buying crypto on the weekend. And then it slowly started showing me, okay, this is how you do it. Because I was losing money buying it every day with buying stock. And I'm like, hold on, I got to figure this out. And keywords, I got to figure this out. That's any of the stuff. Nobody's going to wake up and be a genius at this stuff. It's going to take some people years. It's going to take some people months. It's all on, are you willing to learn it, though? Are you willing to go to the library, read some books, order some books? That's why I love telling people, because you can't skip that process. If you're in the rat race still, look at the people that's in the 10%, in the 1%. And you see the difference in what are y'all doing? Most people, we only know just go to work, make you some money, come back home. I know some of you adults is playing video games for 4 or 5 hours. Excuse me. That's not going to get you to the next level. I promise you that now. You just put in 4 or 5 hours on a created GTA player. And I've been thinking the past couple of days, if y'all will put in this work on GTA and building the character that got all the nice cars, all the clothes to drip, what could you do in real life? Some of us are focused on that, but how are you bringing that income in to actually live the lifestyle that you want? Because I don't care what you want, honestly. If you can live your lifestyle and be happy with it, that's all I'm worried about. Now I want to get to this level, and you've been waiting 3, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Some people never change their life. But once you start picking up them skills, how can I invest in the stock market? How can I invest in crypto? You're going to start compounding. It's not going to come overnight. You could do extra advanced things if you think you want to speed it up. Which, to me, if you can figure out those video games by those hours, it shouldn't be nothing to figure out trade options. That's why some of the older people hate when we say we play these things like video games. I come from that era. Yo, you'll play the game for 6, 7 hours, 8 hours that day. Cool. You just built your NBA 2K player up. What did you do in real life? How did you build I haven't played games in a while like that. How did you build yourself up in real life? Start going around figuring this out. Like y'all seen on my channel, the box truck business, the cargo van business. You can ride around and pick up loads. You can start your own business. A lot of people fail at that. Why? Because they quit. A lot of people, and it's not for you. If you seen somebody else do it, this is going to get you out the rat race quick. If you seen somebody else do it and think you can do it too, like a barber, that's his passion. That's not your passion. You just see the hustle. Well, that's what a lot of us see. We see the hustle more than we see what work did they put in to get to these levels. No, you got to figure out what's for you. Take your path, knowing you're going to have some doubters. Friends going to be doubters. Family members going to be doubters. That's cool. But one thing I learned when you actually, especially being an entrepreneur this long, you're going to network with entrepreneurs that are already knowing what you're talking about. You don't have to make them believe in your plan. You see the levels? Why would I not have to convince entrepreneurs and business people what I'm doing? Because they understand. But your family and friends don't understand. And I had a little script I seen earlier. I'm gonna read it right, so I won't even be wrong when I say it. My problem was I wanted to take people with me to the top who didn't even want to see me at the top. And when I first started this entrepreneur stuff 5 years ago, I was trying to network with such and such, such and such. No, not now. No, they didn't want to see me at the top either. But guess what? If you want to get out that rat race, guess who want to see, or who will do business with you? I don't want to say they want to see you at the top. Banks. Why aren't you networking with banks? They want to help you. The SBA wants to give you $100,000 loan to get you a business, you know? But you have to go do the research on these things. People are, as y'all seen when the pandemic happened, they gave how many business owners free money or forgiveness money? But a lot of people wait till they hear that. They want to get into the race now. They only come when it's finally beneficial. But honestly, just having your LLC is beneficial. Like, I literally bought my LLC just to get business credit. I knew I was a hustler. But guess what? You still had to go by the rules. Just because you're a hustler don't mean you're going to make it in business. I've seen people business fail in 3 months, 6 months, a year. We've seen big companies go, especially with the tariffs right now. One thing I love about business, I don't care how big or small you are, you're going to face problems. And that gives me a smile and a good energy knowing, okay, I could fail. Nvidia might fail, IBM might fail, but they were number one, and I still failed. So that doesn't mean nothing. Are you willing to keep fighting for your dreams every day? I look at it going into business and this stuff, just leveling up, going to war with yourself, because nobody's gonna make you get better. Whoever you think, maybe your wife or significant other might help you, but mom is just gonna just be happy with what she made. I know people like this. My mom, they're agreeing with their mom. Bro, your mom doesn't have any investments. Your mom has a 401k. Your mom has been in the rat race and she's fine with it because she's made it this far. What about the younger people? The earlier you start investing this money or starting your business, the easier it is going to be in life. I hope you start at 18. I hope you start at 21. Once you start getting to 30, 40, 50, oh, you start to notice you don't got that much time left. And I noticed that's why I started early. And I'm like, okay, I might have didn't get the results I wanted early, those millions and billions early. But guess what? You there. I'm here now. And I understand, okay, I had to learn it. I looked at my first 4 years in entrepreneurship as college. Some people went to business college. I didn't. Cool. Guess what? I still had to go learn how to hustle and start a business the same way they're in class learning about marketing and stuff. What makes me any different than think, yo, you don't have to learn marketing? I have to learn everything these people learn to get to these levels. Will it help you? Do what you already good at. That if I didn't tell you anything already, if you're already good at sales, keep going at sales. Whatever you figure out to make money in, what most people go wrong is, excuse me, if what got you there, keep doing it. If you make $1,000 off selling cars a week, keep doing it. Don't try to switch it up. You could add on to the business, but keep going to what makes the money. That's what a lot of entrepreneurs mess up at. They try to pivot, and then you pivoted to things you don't do really, and it's like a question mark. Does it make you money? It may make people money, but does it make you money? That's what a lot of people get wrong. But once you get that stuff going, life will get easier. You won't be in the rat race. You're actually fighting for your financial freedom. You're building wealth. That's why a lot of people keep saying generational wealth. Generational wealth, cool. But if you don't know how to build it, every year you and your family could put up $10,000 a piece. This family, 3 of y'all. It could be more. And every year y'all buy a property together. But a lot of us don't know how to team up with family and friends, as y'all heard me say earlier. That's the hardest thing to do, but it's easier. A lot of people are doing it on their own because it's just like, or finding groups. You're either going to do it on your own or you're going to find these groups that people are charging to be in these communities. Nothing's wrong with it. Like I said, if you can be in a community, he's making 100,000, she's making 200,000. That's like-minded people. That's where you're trying to get. Nothing wrong with that. So if you're thinking these people, these so-called gurus are trying to get over, some are. But if you can find the ones that are authentic, like me, I could tell you the trials and tribulations. I see millionaire gurus all of a sudden getting in the vending machine business. So I'm like I said earlier, what's the difference between Nvidia and me? Are you going to build that? Are you going to build anything? So Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you're going to build to get out the rat race.